Totoo ba na may GSIS ang unemployment benefit at 50% of your average monthly compensation ang matatanggap? Answer, totoo po, friends. So ang sagot natin, friends, is based po sa website ni GSIS. Ito po, yung mga government employees po na involuntary separated from the service as a result of the abolition of their office or position, usually resulting from reorganization, ay makakatanggap po ng GSIS Unemployment Benefit. Opo, yung sila sir and ma'am na mga government employees na affected sa reorganization, merger, or privatization po ng office nila. Yes, friends, ang benefit na ito is the form of monthly cash payment po, equivalent to 50% of the average monthly compensation ng employee. And ma-release po ito from 2 months po up to 6 months. Ang duration po ng benefit na ito is depende po sa length of service ng employee. Kasi po ang maka-avail nito is yung 1 year po sa government service o may remittance sa GSIS up to less than 15 years po. Simple said, yung mga 15 years or more ay hindi po kasali dito. So 2 months po ito na-release up to 6 months po. So yung 2 months po na-release, ang maka-avail nito is yung 1 year but less than 3 years po. Yung 3 months release po, yung 3 or more years but less than 6 years. 4 months release po, yung 6 or more years but less than 9 years. 5 months release po, 9 or more years but less than 11 years. And lastly, 6 months release, yung 11 or more years but less than 15 years na may GSIS contributions. So, ang application po nito, sir, sa benefit na ito should be filed within 4 years from the time of involuntary separation from government service. So, within 4 years po. So, for example, na unemployed tayo year 2020, right? So, applyan mo yan 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024 within that year po. From 2020 up to 2024. Tama po? Ngayon, yung benefit na ito, friends, based sa nabasa natin, ay i-deduct pala ito from your future separation or retirement benefit. So I believe wala itong interest, no? Kasi wala man to, hindi man to loan. Kasi po, benefit po ito, tulong po ni GSIS while wala kayong trabaho. Pero babayaran po natin ito if may makuha na tayo na separation or retirement benefit in the future. So yan po. Hope na nagustuhan nyo ang bidyong ito. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Alright? Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.